initially I had worked up allocution. I also had my legal team assisting on allocution. But I chose to get rid of it. And I noticed, even though my legal team insists on me able to write one, I kind of noticed that the insight that they had was limited. And it only could come from me. It only could come from my heart. That what I had to say couldn't be written down or what I was feeling. One may able to be explained by my team, but along the way, me being incarcerated, me being here in Shelby County jail, I experienced a lot of things in my life, and it gave me the ability to come here today and enter this gift. And I believe there is nothing I can say about that day, everything that occurred. I acknowledge that there's nothing I can say to neither the victim or the victim family, but I believe that it's all about where do I go from here, and the choice I began to make along the way as I go through life, on this journey we call life. And I believe there's no closure for anyone, but I also know that there's nothing I can say to bring no one family member back. There's nothing I can say to give nobody any closure, but we all gotta deal with this within our whole life. And this one situation brought all of us together. And along the way, I noticed I was in the darkest place in my life around the time everything occurred. And today, at long the time I've been here inside 201, it was like God came to me. And He came to me, and it's life that I'm feeling now, that I feel that I can take advantage of it and use it and be reliable to other individuals that's around me, to not, or try to contribute to them, their life, and not make the same mistake. Not even just, I can't call it a mistake, but you make decisions and you have to live with it. So, no, I really feel like words not that come to explain. Like, I'm gonna take advantage of these resources now. I'm gonna take advantage of this opportunity now. God gave me a second chance. And I never thought like the man this kind of spoke today. He spoke upon just seeing how God used him. He came through him to come tell me what I thought all along when this light I started experiencing, like I was coming from this dark place. And now it's what I do with it afterwards. And I think I use this testimony here to make an impact on others, because I see myself in a lot of individuals along the way, and it would make me have a change of heart now. And I seen how God gave me the ability to get up where I fell down and keep going and try it again, and kept trying again. So I say that today, I'm gonna go forward. The victim's family, and also the victims that was along the way. This situation right here brought all of us together, and it was with a purpose. I can say God wanted me to cause no harm. God wanted me to do any of these things. I didn't want it to happen like this. But if thing to change my life, something to change my life, like this, for me to change, I didn't see no light the way I was headed. The way I was living, I wasn't living in the righteous path. So And I also do give apologies, but I know this not enough. It's not enough for the victim family. I hope one day in y'all life y'all come to the point where y'all find in y'all heart to forgive me. And I also look to myself to forgive myself of the things that I done. And that'll be it. I keep going on and on, but there'll be nothing that can actually express. Words cannot, I cannot find the right word to express how I'm actually feeling with this man. So, that'll be it.
So there was just one question that I just wanted to make sure, as the state was referencing in this count 1 on the judgment sheet. So at the bottom of this judgment sheet, it has that the right to appeal is waived. So even though a person has a trial right, and if they were to go to trial and lose, they had a right to appeal. So a person still has a right to appeal a guilty plea and say that it was not done voluntarily or not knowingly, that there were other reasons why that guilty plea should be set aside. By signing this sheet, you're acknowledging that even though you still have a right to appeal, even though it may be minimized because it's a guilty plea, that you are waiving that right to appeal. Do you understand? Do you have any questions about that? So do you have any questions about any of the rights that we've gone over?
No, sir.
Do you have any questions about any of the things that have been explained to you through this paperwork or through this process?
No, sir.
Before we finalize this plea, sir, do you have any questions for the court or your attorney before we finalize this?
No, sir.
All right, sir, you can step down, you can go back to your seat, or you can stand next to your attorney.